चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. द टॉपिक नेम टुडे इज व्हाट? क्यूब्स. What's the topic name, students? It's a cubes. Cubes is a three-dimensional object. Cube is a three-dimensional object. I hope you all know that. Following? Clear? Let's try to learn a little bit of basics. A cube have got how many faces? This is the best way to draw. Make a square, one line, another line, another line. Join this line. That's it. A cube have got 6 faces. Students, don't forget a cube have got 6 faces. This is a top face, this is a bottom face. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. This is a front face and this side is a back face. And this is a right side face and this is the left side face. So students, you should have an idea. A cube have got how many faces? 6 faces. Could you please try to shout and tell me what are opposite here? Top, bottom are opposite to each other. Top face and bottom, they never touch. They are opposite to each other. And not only that, students, right side and left side, they are also said to be what faces? Opposite faces. That's true. Sir, there is one more opposite. That is a front side and back side, which is over here. These are said to be opposite faces. So students, a cube have got 6 faces. A cube have got 6 faces. In that 6 faces, we have got some opposites. They are top, bottom, front, back, and left, right. And there are some adjacent faces also. You know who are adjacent? Neighbors. Neighbors. These two are neighbors to each other. They are adjacent to each other. We can call right and front are adjacent. Right and front are adjacent. Do you have any other adjacent? Please tell me. Who are the other adjacent? Please tell me. I'm telling front and right are adjacent. Any other adjacents you can type and tell me. Come on. India. Make it faster. Any other face which are adjacent faces? These two are adjacent faces. Come on. Any other adjacent? Left to bottom, very good. Left to bottom are adjacent, very good, very good. Top front are also adjacent, very good, very good, very good. Front left are also adjacent, very good, very good. Front left, Grishma, that's good. Front left is also adjacent, very good, very good. Front bottom is also adjacent, very good, very good, very good. Front left, right bottom. But top bottom, opposites. Left right, opposites. Front back, opposites. So there are 6 faces. In the 6 faces, few are adjacent faces, few are opposite faces. Okay, everybody. Front left, that's good. But students, let me just try to tell you one more thing here. Sir, I have got a cube. I have got one cube. I would like to ask you, how many corner babu are there? How many corner babu are there in this cube? Any idea how many corner babu are there on this cube? 8 corner babu. This is the first corner babu, second corner, third fellow, fourth fellow, fifth fellow, sixth fellow, seventh fellow, 8th fellow. So we should understand that, students, that there are 8 corners. How many corners are there? 8 corners. So we have to understand, Akshay, that's good. A cube have got 6 faces and a cube have got 8 corners. Are you understanding, everybody? And I would like to know how many edges are there. A cube have got how many edges? That you are supposed to find out. Do you have any idea how many edges are there, students? That's quite simple. This is said to be one edge. Edge is the one which is connecting 2 corners. Yes, this is one more edge. This is one more edge. This is one more edge. Wow. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे डायरेक्ट. Oh, 12. You know, Shreyas is saying it's 12. Very good. This is edge, 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 edge. So how many edges are there, beta? 12 edges are there. So हमको इतना पता चल गया. Cube have got 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. बस आज के लिए इतना ही. Okay. Cube's topic is over today. Okay. So rest of the things we'll learn tomorrow. Isn't it? Is it fine, everybody? Come on, we have learned a lot of things in cube. 6 faces we have learned and 8 corners we have learned. And how many edges are there? 12 edges. Never forget these basics, everybody. ठीक है, चलिए चलते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं और सीखते हैं, क्योंकि क्यूब्स अभी बाकी है ना. चलिए, okay. So now What are the things you are supposed to learn in cubes? Is the first thing is what? How to cut the cube. Second one, how to color a cube. If you know how to cut the cube and how to color a cube, these are the two types of questions they're going to ask you. Yes, seriously. So once you do these two, we can just try to complete it off. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes. Now, how to cut a cube, that I should teach you. How to cut the cube, I should teach you. Many people have an observation, it's a three-dimensional object, but I cannot do that kind of animation today to make you understand. But simple, we can do one thing. Yes, let's try to look at this paper. What is this? Not a square, not a rectangle. Sir, this is paper. So this paper, I'm going to make one cut. Students, I'm going to make one cut. If you make one cut, do you have one piece? See the screen. Do you have only one piece which is coming to you? Batao. I'm going to make one cut for a paper. Tell me, how many pieces you going to have there? No. How many pieces, beta? 2 pieces are there. How many pieces are there? 2 pieces are there. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Are you understanding, everybody? Whenever you make one cut, 2 pieces. Let's have one more example. Students, adjacent to that, I have given one more. If I'm going to make 2 cuts, very good. How many pieces are you going to have? 3 pieces, definitely. What did you understand from these 2 examples? For every cut, there is an extra piece. Try to understand. 99 cuts, 100 pieces, sir. 22 cuts, 23 pieces, sir. 11 cuts, 12 pieces. Are you understanding, everybody? Chalo, let me just try to have one more example at the corner end. Batao beta, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cuts I made? 6 cuts. You can see the screen at the corner. Okay, you just try to tell me how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's good. So the basics of cutting, we have learned that for every cut there is one extra piece. Don't forget that. 7 cuts, 8 pieces. Following, everybody? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Yes. Now let's try to move forward. A large cube is cut into 3 cuts. I'm taking a small example. This is one cube. I'm making 3 cuts. Bolo, how many cuts I'm making? 3 cuts. So let me cut this cube into 3 cuts. How many cuts I'm making? 3 cuts. Look at the first cut. This is the first cut. Okay, this is the second cut, students, and this is the third cut. When I make 3 cuts, how many pieces you have? 4 pieces. How many pieces you have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you sure, everybody? Do you think this is maximum pieces which you are going to make? No. This is not maximum pieces which you are going to make. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Chaliye, no worries. Now, let's try to take a cube now. Same cube I'm taking once again. Same number of cuts I'm making. Are you understanding, everybody? So, can I make more than 4 pieces? Yes. Can you make more than 4 pieces? Let me try. So, 2 cuts I'm cutting in this way. How many cuts I'm cutting in this way? 2 cuts. Students, when you make 2 cuts, well, how many pieces you're going to have? 3 pieces. How many pieces? 3 pieces. Are you sure, everybody? Chaliye. Now, how many more cuts are left? 1 more cut is left. That 1 more cut I'm cutting like this. Same 3 cuts are over. 1, 2, 3. How many cuts are over? 3 cuts. But the pieces I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pieces? 6 pieces. Here 4 pieces, here 6 pieces. Are you understanding, everybody? With the help of this, we have understood. That's good. Do you think that this 6 is maximum, or we can make more than 6 pieces? Is this 6 is maximum, or we can make more than 6 pieces? Yes, of course we can make more than 6 pieces. Everybody, look at that. Same cube I'm taking once again, same number of cuts I'm making once again. Will you get more than 6? Yes. Let's try to show you how. Look, 1 cut I am cutting like this. Bolo, pieces are how many, beta? 2 pieces. I told you basics. What the basics? With every cut, you have got extra piece. Don't say, sir, I don't know. Don't say, I don't know. Are you understanding, everybody? So 1 cut, 2 pieces. Chali, let's try to move forward, everybody. Now I am making 1 cut like this. How many pieces you're going to have? Once again, 2 pieces are there. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Okay. Now 1 more cut is there, but this time I'm slicing in a Z axis. From top I'm slicing like this. With 1 more cut, 2 pieces. Bolo, 2 into 2 into 2 is what? 8 pieces. Are you understanding, students? 8 pieces. Are you sure, everybody? Do you think these are 8 pieces? Say yes or no. Come on, Babu. Do you think these are 8 pieces? Yes or no? Come on, guys. You people are genius. You can say yes always. Yes, yes, yes. Rahul is saying yes. Everybody is saying yes. How? How 8 pieces? Let me count. Let me count. First piece is this. This is the first piece which you can see there. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Clear? Now, let's try to move forward now. Second piece. This is second piece. Are you understanding, everybody? How many pieces are this? Second piece. This is a third piece. Are you sure this is yellow color? This is a third piece and this is a fourth piece. Front to four side one pieces and back side also. This is a fifth piece which you can see here. This is a sixth piece, everybody. And seventh piece at this white piece in the corner and one more piece at the back side which you can't see, which is at the back side. Are you understanding, everybody? So overall, how many pieces are there, students? 8 pieces. So we have got one perfect example. Same number of cuts here, 4 pieces. Same number of cuts here, 6 pieces. Same number of cuts here, 8 pieces. Which one is maximum fall? 8 pieces is maximum. What is maximum? 8 pieces. Why you have got maximum here? Why you have got maximum here? Why you are not getting maximum in the first 2 cases? Because we are cutting in a different axis. What we are cutting in a different axis. What the previous example is teaching you? The previous example is teaching you for every cut you have got extra piece. For every cut you have got extra piece. Am I right, everybody? What is this? This example is teaching you that. What this example is teaching you what? If you want maximum pieces, don't just maintain single axis. Maintain all the possible axis. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Because it's not a paper. If you see that, this is only paper. Paper have only 2 axes, X and Y. But do you think this is a paper? No, it has got X, it has got Y, it has got Z. Samjhe बाबू? Say yes. बस बहुत हो गया, बहुत पढ़ लिया, अभी बहुत पढ़ लिया, इससे ज्यादा क्या पढ़ते? Say yes. Clear? Now let's move forward. Here he told you, listen everybody, I'm teaching you once again, not 3 cuts. Sir, in this previous question I said 3 cuts, 3 cuts, 3 cuts, but not 3 cuts here. In the next question what I'm teaching you here is what? 6 cuts. How many cuts, students? 6 cuts. Just watch this and just try to understand how to make 6 cuts. If you wanted to make maximum pieces, look at that. 6 cuts. 64 pieces. Hey Bhagwan, 64. How 64? Come on, tell me, Sagar, how 64? Yes, come on, Babu, tell me, how 64? 27. Are you understanding? What's the maximum number of pieces which you can make is what? This thing. Okay, everybody, chaliye. Now, how I'm going to tell you. The first thing is what? 2 cuts I'm making on x-axis. How many cuts, students? 2 cuts I'm making on x-axis. Bolo, when you make 2 cuts on an x-axis, how many pieces you're going to have? 3 pieces. Yes, I'll talk to Subhashmita. I'll talk to Sagar also. 64. मुझे नहीं पता कैसे आते हैं. Okay. So how many pieces we got it? 3. Okay. Now I'm making 2 cuts on y-axis. Look, 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. Are you understanding? I'm making 2 cuts on z-axis. So how many pieces? 1, 2, 3. So how much is the answer? 27 pieces. Do you think, students, always we are supposed to draw? No, not required. How to maintain that? So you have to do like this. Okay, 2 on x-axis, 2 cuts on y-axis, 2 cuts on z-axis. Students, don't say I don't know. Don't say I don't know. We have learned the basics. For every cut we have got extra piece. You can see the screen now. For every cut there's extra piece we have learned. Are you understanding? Now tell me, when there are 2 cuts, bolo beta kitna? 3. What do we call? 3 pieces. When you have 2 cuts, again 3 pieces. On z-axis also 3 pieces. So what are you going to do? You're going to add all these 3. No, multiply. So final the answer is what? 27 pieces. 8 cubes again divided into 8 pieces. No. 8 cubes. No, Baba. You are taking 2 cubes and putting on that and taking cubes. No, it's not like that. Following, everybody? Clear? Now let's try to move forward. So if you want to have a maximum pieces, always you have to maintain equal number of cuts, students. Always you have to maintain equal number of cuts. What if you don't maintain equality? I'll show you. Look at that. 6 cuts, 1 cut only on the x-axis, 2 cuts on the y-axis, 3 cuts on the z-axis. Are you understanding everybody? चलिए. So one cut on x-axis, two cuts on y-axis, three cuts on z-axis. With one cut, you don't have one piece. Seriously, you have two pieces. With two cuts, you don't have two pieces. You have three pieces. And here you have four pieces. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Here you have 24 pieces, students. Here you have 27. Which one is maximum of all? 27 pieces is maximum. But why you are getting maximum here? Why you are not getting here? Because the simple reason is equality. I am maintaining equal number of cuts in all the three axes. Here I am not maintaining equal number of cuts. Understood the simple reason? So chaliye. Now let me just try to ask you a very simple one. Once again I am teaching you. Let's try to have a 12 cuts. Whenever you have 12 cuts, you have to maintain equality. How much on the x-axis? 4. Y-axis? 4. Z-axis? 4. These are the cuts. These are not pieces. Yes. You tell me, for how many 4 cuts? You have got 5 pieces here. Again, you have got 5, 5. Below, what is 5 into 5 into 5, students? We call it as what? 125 pieces. How many pieces are there? 125. Following everybody, not 64. It is 125 pieces. Are you understanding? Nadeem is saying, sir, 7 cuts रहा तो क्या करेंगे? सब करेंगे, हवन करेंगे, जपन करेंगे, नदीम सब करेंगे. सिर्फ सुना करो. Everybody, all your doubts will be cleared. जब तक जिंदा हूं सब करूंगा. Okay? Now let's try to move forward, Nadeem. Okay? So I hope you have understood this basic way of cutting. So we are learning how to cut a cube. Then we will go and then how to color. So let's try to move forward. What I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you first question. Everybody, just try to do these 2 questions. Everybody. Come on, I want the answer from your side. Let's try to learn the cutting faster. Over. That's good. How will you make it, everybody? Chaliye. 5, 5, 5. Bolo cuts. These are cuts, Baba. These are not pieces. Cuts. Huh? 6, 6, 6. In the sense, we can say 216. Following everybody. The second one is 64. People are saying, Anusha, this is 9. 3, 3, 3. Cuts. For every 3 cuts, don't say, sir, मेरे को नहीं मालूम. We have learned the basics. 4, 4, 4. Bolo bhaiya, how much? 64. So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Hopefully everybody is doing right. Do one more question and make it faster, everyone. Following everybody, how are you going to say here? Baba, 7, 7, 7. Bolo Baba, 8, 8, 8, 8 cube कितना होता है? 512 pieces. That's good. Everybody is learning that. Okay, now, aa gaye Nadeem? Aa jao. Okay, now, let's try to see here. Some people have the doubt, sir, 11 cuts, to kya karenge? Yes, seriously. Some people might have a doubt. Sir, whatever you are giving now, 15 equally divisible by 3, 9 equally divisible by 3, 21 equally divisible by 3. Am I right, everybody? What if 11 is given to you? So students, have a look, everybody. When 11 cuts are given to you, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, everybody? I'll make 5 on x-axis. I'll make 5 on y-axis. I'll make only one on the z-axis. 5 plus 1, total 11. 5 cuts, 1 cut. So I'm gonna write 6, 6, 2. Bolo beta 6, 6, 2. Bolo beta 6, 6, 2. 6, 6 is 36, 36 2 is 72 pieces. Is this maximum? Don't know. मुझे नहीं मालूम. मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ. Some people, what do? They will try to maintain 4 on x-axis, 4 on y-axis, 3 on z-axis. So total 11 only. Check it out. Total 11 only. Total 11 only. But for 4 cuts, 5 pieces. 4 cuts, 5 pieces. 4 cuts, 4. So I've got 100. So you all tell me, is 100 is maximum or 72 is maximum? Sir, common sense, 100 is maximum. Are you understanding, everybody? But students, why you got 100 here? Why you are not getting maximum here? Why you are getting maximum here? Why you are not getting here? Simple reason. Simple. What is that SOLU? SOLU is nothing but here equality. I am maintaining equality. Equal number of cuts. Are you understanding, everybody? But do you think, students, here are you maintaining equality? No. Look at that. 5, 5 are equal, but between 5 and 1, you have a large gap. So they are not almost all equal. 5, 5, 1, it's not almost all equal. But 4, 4, 3 are almost all equal. Almost all equal. Almost. So, not almond. Okay, almost, everybody. समझ में आ रहा है? I know, Nadeem, I know. 11 I cannot divide into 3 equal pieces. You know, I know, everybody know. But you have to maintain some equality to get the maximum. समझ में आ रहा है? बोलो भैया, yes or no? Come on, please let me know. Saying yes, Nadim, your doubt is solved. Okay. Now, many more doubts you might get it. सब हो जाएंगे. चलिए, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. Now, what do I do, students? I'll do one thing. You please try to tell me one thing. 7 cuts. Please try to do it, everybody. 7 cuts. जल्दी बताओ. अच्छे बच्चे हैं ना? जल्दी बताओ. चलो करो. 6. That's good. How? Will you do 3, 3, 1? No. 3 and 3 almost all equal, but 1 is having a large gap. So better you can do 2, 2, 3. Instead of doing 3, 3, 1, you can choose 2, 2, 3. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now how much? 3, 3, 4. Bolo Babu, what's the answer? 36 pieces. How many pieces are there? 36 pieces. Hope you all people have understood this. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. So you are learning good. I am also learning good. Let's try to move forward now. Students, let me just try to teach you one more basic here. If I give you 12 cuts, you tell me how many pieces, beta? Jaldi batao. Come on. Might be it's a typing mistake. Anyways, let's try to move forward. How 125, sir? Very simple, sir. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and we got how much, sir? 125. Now I'm giving you cuts to you. You are telling me pieces. You are telling me pieces. But process, I'll give you pieces. Seriously, I'm giving you pieces. I'll give you pieces, Baba. You tell me cuts. You tell me cuts, Baba. I'll give you pieces, Baba. You go and tell me, Baba. Jaldi karo. Pakka? That's good. What is this, beta? This is a reverse process. How 18? Let's see here. When I say pieces, 5 pieces, 5 pieces, 5 pieces. Bolo, 343. Sir, 7 pieces, 7 pieces, 7 pieces. 7 into 7 into 7 is how much? This thing. Following, everybody? Chaliye. For 4 cuts, you have 1 extra piece. But 7 pieces, you have 8 cuts? No, sir. Ulta. 6 cuts, 6 cuts, 6 cuts. Total 18 cuts. You are doing the same thing, but जब मैं यहां से यहां आ रहा हूं, तुमको यहां से यहां जाना चाहिए. Process is completely reversed. There is nothing more over here. Are you understanding, everybody? So some people will give you pieces, and in turn they will ask you cuts. Are you understanding, everybody? Hopefully you all people are understanding this. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. चलिए. So I want a minimum number of cuts required. क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? Minimum number of cuts required. Are you understanding, everybody? चला. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Make it faster. चला भाऊ, जल्दी बोलो. It's not maximum pieces. Minimum how many cuts? Okay. Aniket saying 15, 9, 21. 15, 9, 21. That's good. Are you sure it's 15, 9, 21? Yes. Chaliye, let's try to move forward now. I hope you have got this cutting. What if he's going to give you 120 pieces? Sir, when I'm giving you 216, equally you can divide. 64 equally divide, 512 also equally divide. Do you think, students, here 120 can be equally divided? Illa. You can say no. 120 cannot be divided equally. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? How to do this 120? I'll tell you. Listen, everybody. 120 is not a perfect cube. 120 is not a perfect cube. If I shout 125, you will say 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. If I shout 64, you'll shout 4, 4, 4. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? If perfect cube is not given, तो क्या करेंगे? So what shall we do? Listen, everybody. 120 is not a perfect cube. मुझे भी पता है, तुम्हें भी पता है, 120 को भी पता है. Okay? But what we have to do is what? 120 lies between two perfect cubes. 4 cube and 5 cube. 120 lies between two perfect cubes. One is 4 cube and one is 5 cube. Following? So take the minimum value in these two, 4, and drag it here and write down here. So you have to take one number 4 inside. Ardhamaitunda. 120 is not a perfect cube, but it lies between two perfect cube, 4 cube and 5 cube. Take a minimum value. Who is that minimum value? 4. That 4 you have to take as one of the number, and second two numbers you have to do trial. The rest of the two numbers you have to make a trial. So let me try. Try. 4 4s are 16. 16 to something. No, we won't get it. Leave it. One more trial. 4 5s are 20. 20. Yes, I got it. 20 into 6. Perfect. Multiples. 4 into 5 into 6. Almost all equal, and it's a multiple. So students, one thing you should not forget that Babu, these are pieces. Don't forget the basics. You know that you have already done. Don't forget the basics. You have already done, sir. You have already done. Are you understanding, everybody? Look at that. These are pieces. Go back. Pieces. Go back. Clear, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye, let's move forward. Cuts 3. 1 less, 4. 1 less 5. Answer is 12 cuts. Are you understanding, everybody? This is the way we are supposed to do it when they are not giving any kind of perfect cubes. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. That's good. That's good. बहुत अच्छे. Genius. Karo. Do these 3 questions, everybody. When I am giving you non-perfect cubes, you are doing. Do it now. Make it faster. 9, 11, 15. That's good. 9, 11, 15. Are you sure, everybody? That's good. TCS, not my question. TCS has given this question. Not my question. TCS has given this question, students. Are you sure? 4, 12. That's good. Whenever 4 cuts are there, minimum 5 pieces are there. You take any paper, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cuts means minimum 5 pieces. 5 is minimum. The maximum, students, if you want maximum, you have to not cut in one axis, different axis. How? 4 means 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 12. So answer is 5, 12. Aditi, it's not 4, 12. जब 4 काटोगे 4 टुकड़े, एक तो एक्स्ट्रा आएगा ना. It's not 4, 12, बाबा. It's 5, 12. Rakesh said wrong answer and everybody is copying Rakesh. No, Rakesh, sorry, 5. Okay, और आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं और सीखते हैं. Now, sir, we are learning now coloring. What we are learning now? Coloring. So what did we do now so far? Sir, so far we learned cutting. So far what did we learn? Cutting. Are you understanding, everybody? So far what did we learn? अरे ये क्या हो गया? So far what did we learn? बेटा cutting. What did we learn? Cutting. So I have told you one very basic simple that cutting I told you and coloring I told you. Cutting I told you, coloring I told you. Are you understanding, everybody? But now what we are going to learn? अभी क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? This is the one which you can understand that from cutting minimum to pieces. When I give you cuts, you can tell me pieces. If I give you pieces, you can tell me cuts. This also you have got it. Are you understanding, everybody? So everything we have done. Now what we are doing, students? Now what we are doing? We are going into the next concept. What's the concept? Coloring. How to color a cube? This also is very important. Students, very important. How to draw the cube? First I'll teach you. One the square, one line, parallel line, touching these two down and coming here. This is the best way of doing the drawing the cube. Some people draw like this also. Two squares touching these two squares. This is not the best way. This is not recommended. Why it is not recommended? I'll tell you. Why it is not recommended? I'll tell you. Anyways, okay. Now listen to the question, everybody, carefully. बाद में तुम्हारे doubts पूरे solve हो जाएंगे. A large cube. अच्छा, a large cube. और कोई शक? No. Sir, a large cube is taken. I have also taken a large cube. And then फिर क्या? अच्छा, green color. Where green color? Front green, top green, bottom green. Where? All faces, sir. All faces it has to paint it with green color. So I am painting green color everywhere. Paint करूँ? देखो. This is a green color. I am painting everywhere. Are you understanding, everybody? Hopefully the greeny to hai. Okay, everybody. Now after that it is made into 125 identical pieces. How many pieces? 1, 2, 5. Students, try to listen very carefully because next question you are supposed to do on your own. Okay. Now how many pieces? 125 pieces I am supposed to make. I have to cut like this. I have to cut like this. You know cutting, everybody? So 125 pieces. Tell me how will you get 125? Very simple. If I were to do 125, simple, students, 5 into 5 into 5. Hopefully you all know that. 125 pieces. 125 pieces is what? 5 into 5 into 5. 4 cuts. 4 cuts. 4 cuts. How many cuts? 12 cuts you want. Okay. Now do you think these are 12 cuts, everybody? Say yes or no. Are you understanding, everybody? Do you think these are 12 cuts? How many pieces are these? 125 pieces. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? This is 125. So you have to draw very uniformity. Following, everybody? You took a large cube. Yes, I've taken large cube. You took green color. I took green color. You have to cut 125, but your cutting is not proper. Okay, let's try to make the proper cutting, everybody. Okay, so let me just introduce you 4 cuts on x-axis. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me how many cuts on x-axis, students? 4 cuts on x-axis. When you make 4 cuts on x-axis, bolo beta, how many pieces you're going to have? 5. Look, 5 pieces. Ardhamaitunda. Who is this for? Sir, y-axis, sir. The middle 4 is y-axis. Acha, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bolo beta, how many cuts we have made here? How many cuts we made here? 4. So pieces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces. Then was the last 4. Last 4 is z-axis. Look at that. Like this. Following, everybody? With the help of this, students, could you please try to tell me how many cuts I made? 12 cuts. 4 on x-axis, 4 on y-axis, 4 on z-axis. Chaliye, good enough. Now, sir, please explain once. Abhi shuru nahi hua hai. Okay, I am teaching first only. Following, everybody, a large cube has been taken. Yes, sir, large cube has been taken. It has painted with green color. Yes, sir, painted with green color. Then 125, I know the process of 125. How to make process of 125? 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4. 4 cuts on x-axis, 4 cuts on y-axis, 4 cuts on z-axis. All things we have done. Are you sure, everybody? Now, mera pehla prashna. What is my first question? My first question is, sir, how many are 3 side painted? Hope you have to understand that. Where is this 3 side painted? Do you think that this is 3 side painted with red? No. Is this 3 side painted? No. Is this 3 side painted? No. Is this 3 side? No. Is this 3 side? No. Is this 3 side? Is this 3 side? Arey Baba, where is that 3 side? Please tell me. My first question is three side painted. Corner. Vilas Babu is saying corner. Four corners are. Aditi Dabba, four corners are. 8 corners. Anusha is saying 8 corners. Are you understanding everybody? 4 plus 4. आगे 4, पीछे 4. क्या? Corners. Are you understanding everybody? I'll show you. Look at that. This corner piece. Are you understanding everybody? This corner piece जो ऊपर आ रहा है, this corner piece I have got 3 sides. Color, green color. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? Yes. This is of one side, this is 2 side, this is 3 side. Are you understanding everybody? Say yes or no. How many corners are there? 8 corners. I am zooming it for you, so answer is 8. What's the answer, Baba? 8. There are 8 corners are there. Are you understanding everybody? How many corners are there? 8 corners are there. The first question answer is 8. Very good. Second question, students. Let's try to go with the second questions. What is the second question? Is two side painted. Students, you all know that this is two side painted. No. This is two side painted. No. This is two side painted. No. Do you think, student, this is two side painted? Yes. Sir, this is two side painted. Sir, this is two side painted. The edge one is here also painted. Here also painted. So this is three side. No, it's not taken into consideration. Following everybody? So two side painted, students. This is two side, this is two side, this is two side, but this is three side painted. Okay. No, I don't want this. Following everybody, this is two side, two side, two side. This side also, this side also, this side also, this side also. Two side, two side, two side, two side. So on every edge, you are finding 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. On every edge, how many are finding? 3. Students, you have to tell me how many edges are there. Students, you have to supposed to tell me how many edges are there. 1 edge, 2 edge. No, there are 12 edges are there. Edge number 1, 2, 3, 4. We learn that. Don't say on every edge 3, 3, 3. Bolo, what's that? 36 pieces. Seriously, there are 36 pieces are there. How many pieces are there? 36 pieces are there. Are you understanding everybody? Say yes, yes. Who are these 36? 36 is nothing but, 36 is nothing but two side painted. How many corners? 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 which are back side. You can't see that corner. 8 corners, 3 color, 3 side. 2 side are 36. Okay, everybody, chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward now. Where is one side painted? One side painted, one side, okay? Do you think this is one side painted and inside it's not painted? Only front side it is colored, but inside it's uncolored, not colored in the inside. One side painted, one side painted, one side painted. This is two side painted, two side painted. So, one side painted, how many you are finding in the front? 9 pieces. But is this the only 9 which you are finding here? No, sir. See on the top. ऊपर जाके खड़े रहो इसके ऊपर. You will find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 on the top also, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 on the top. So on every face 9, 9, 9, 9 on the top, 9 on the right, 9 on the front, 9 on the bottom also, 9 on the left side also, 9 on the back side also. How many faces? On every face you have 9, 9, 9. बोलो तो कितना? 9, 6. Why 6 beta? Sir, why 6? We learn now basics. What are the basics? Basics are what? Come on, tell me. What are the basics? Faces are 6. Who are 6? Faces are 6. That's good. Let's try to go with the unpainted. Students, I want the unpainted from your side. Where are unpainted? Inside. Can you see inside? No, you can't see inside. Can you see inside? No. But how to count those pieces which are unpainted inside? Make it faster, everyone. Sagar is saying very innovative. 27. 27. Are you sure 27? Prasanna Kumar, how you got 51? All left pieces. Nadeem, are you sure? Yes. How you got that? From 25, you have subtracted 6, you have subtracted 36, you have subtracted 54. Then the whatever left pieces inside, that is 27. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. That's good. So what did we learn now? What did we learn? We have to learn one thing very simple, that one side painted or on the faces. Bole beta, one side painted or on the faces. Are you sure, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. But you all tell me, where are those two side painted edges? Where are those three side painted that thing? So I believe that from 125, everybody, from 125, you have to subtract this 8, you have to subtract this 36, you have to subtract this 54, then you got 27. Students, what if? Students, what if? Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye, everybody. What if my question was, listen, everybody, 216. Come on, students. What if my question is 216? Following, everybody? The questions what you have told here is what? 8 you said. I understood. In 125 you told this is 8. This is 24. Arre, kya ho raha hai? This is 24. This is 36. Not 36, I guess. This is 36. This is 54. And you got 27 from this thing. What if you got 216? Come on, students. 216. What if you got 216? Come on. So for 216, first you have to draw the cube. Then you have to make 216 bole to 6, 6, 6, bola 5, 5, 5. Then you have to make 5 cuts on x-axis. Then 5 cuts on y-axis. Then 5 cuts. But I don't want all these questions, students. I want only one question answer. Only this question, because in the entrance examination he asks you only one question. It's working fine, Akshay. Just try to rephrase the things if it is top for you. Grishma says total pieces minus colored pieces. That is okay, Grishma. Come on. Only one question I want. I don't want all these questions. Now, students, everybody, for the sake of everybody, for the sake of one question, will you do your time in getting this answer? Will you take the time in this answer? This answer? After bringing these three answers, you will subtract with 216 and get only single question? No, no. Never. Then, sir, how to do it? Listen, everybody. Then how to get the same answers? Everybody, have a look, everybody. You need not do in this method. I mean to say, listen, everybody. Clear? This diagram method is not that important. Students, try to understand that this diagram method is not important. I'll tell you why and how we can do it. Listen everybody. So whenever he give this kind of questions to you, what you are supposed to do is what? You have to use a formula. The first formula is 8 always. What is the first one, students? 8 always. Second one is what? N minus 2 into 12. Third one is what? N minus 2 square into 6. Last one is n minus 2 whole cube. What is the last one, students? N minus 2 whole cube. Are you understanding, everybody? The last one is n minus 2 whole cube. Following, everybody? Using this, we can easily do it. Now let's see, students. For 125, everybody, for 125, you have to treat. For 125, 5 into 5 into 5. N value is 5, students. What's the n value? You have to take it as 5. Remember, everybody. N value is 5. So n value is 5. I am putting in the place of n 5. 5. We will get the answer instantly. Look at that. 5 minus 2 cube. What is 5 minus 2? 3. 3 cube, 27. Same answer we got it, students. Same answer we got it. Again, let's try to do here. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 square into 6. 3 square into 6. 9 6 are 54. Same answer. I'm not drawing. I'm not doing anything. These formulas will save a lot of time of yours. Okay. Now, once again, n. What's the value of n, students? N value is nothing but 5. 5 minus 2 into 12. That is 3 into 12. That is 36. Same answer. Okay. Now, 8 always. Why 8 always? Corners are always 8. Students, now I'm asking you, if somebody gives you 216, can we get the answer instantly? Come on. Can we get the answer instantly? Nadim is saying yes, sir. But in that case, Nadim, what's the n value? N value is cuts or pieces? Pieces. Remember, n value is what? Pieces. N value is 6. Get me all the answers, everyone. Get me all the answers without drawing the diagram. Get me all the answers without drawing the diagram, everybody. You can save a lot of time if you use this painted. Shreyas is saying that 64, that's true. That is the bottom 64. But I want all the 4 question answers. Eight, 48, 64, 116. Are you saying 8, 44? Is it 48? Acha, 48, 96, 100. Acha, not 100, only 64. That's good. I hope you all people are understanding now. Are you sure? Do you think this kind of diagram and big process is important? No. Like this also you can do, but it's a time consuming. Then sir, when it is time consuming, why did you show me? अरे मेरी मर्जी भाई, मैं जो बताता हूँ बताना चाहता हूँ, आपको देखना पड़ेगा, isn't it? That's good. With diagram, I taught you willingly to make you understand how the pieces are, where the pieces are. Seriously. But formula will save your time here. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Not this thing. Suppose my question is changed. I'm telling you seriously, students, I'm telling you 343. Come on, get the answers of all these things. Come on, everyone. Come on. Jaldi karo. Jaldi. Make it faster, everyone. What is n value? 343. 7 into 7 into 7. Bolo beta n value 7. Das is saying, Das इतने दिन से कहाँ थे तुम? This is 8, this is 60, this is 150 और ये रहा 125. That's it. Are you understanding, students? Yes. There might be some students, they might ask me the doubt. Sir, 125 you're answering, 216 you're answering, 343 you're answering. What if he's not giving a perfect cube to you? है ना Nadim, है ना Sagar, Naidu, है ना? Yes. What if he's not giving a perfect cube? तब क्या करोगे? Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. Try to listen to this, everybody. When I'm giving you perfect cube, you're answering very faster. Okay, everyone? Chaliye. Let's try to move forward, everybody. What if he's not giving you perfect cube? Suppose he did not give you 125. He gave you 120. What he gives you, students? 120. Following, everybody? So whenever he gives you 120, the formula is slightly changed. Listen, everybody. What is that? I'm going to teach you. Everybody listen. Sir, 125 बोले तो 5 into 5 into 5. Sir, 125 बोले तो 5 into 5 into 5. But 120 is not 5 into 5 into 5, na sir? Come on, students, you all know that. 120 is not 5 into 5 into 5. What is 120? We have learned the basics. What is 120? 4 into 5 into 6. What is that? 4 into 5 into 6. Sir, for 125, n value is given as 5 now. But what is n value here? Is it 4? Or is it 5? Or is it 6? 4 into 5 into 6, Aditi, वो तो मुझे पता चल गया है. But who is that n? Shall I take it as 4? Shall I take it as 5? Or shall I take it as 6? पता तो होना चाहिए ना भाई. चलिए, I'll tell you. Sir, you are mistaken. Let me tell you. You know what is n minus 2 whole cube? N minus 2, n minus 2, n minus 2. Because you all know that a cube, a into a into a. N minus 2 whole cube, n minus 2, n minus 2, n minus 2. Students, let me just tell you. You are thinking, you are misunderstanding that you have taken only one n. No. You have taken all the 3 people. This 5 you kept here, this 5 you kept here, this 5 you kept here. Try to understand. You have taken all the 3 people here also. You are thinking only first fellow you have taken. No, all the 3 people you have taken and substituted. Here also you are supposed to take all the 3. देखो. But यहाँ पर n नहीं होता है. L, B, H. Formulas are slightly changed. This value you keep it here, but not n. This is L. This value you keep it here, it's not n. This is B. This value you keep it here, it's not this thing. A new formula has come, students. What's that? L minus 2, B minus 2, H minus 2. Are you understanding, everybody? What is that? LBH, not MDH. It is LBH. Are you understanding, everybody? Both are same formula. But this with N. This is with LBH. That's the only small change. Both are same formula, students. Both are same formula. Are you understanding, everybody? Both are same formula. L minus 2, B minus 2, H minus 2. And this is 8 always. You should not, fight with this thing. 8 corners are there. Now, how to design this formula? Very simple. No n minus 2. Say L minus 2. No n minus 2. Say B minus 2. No n minus 2. Say H minus 2. Students, you all tell me how many edges are there, students? 12 edges are there. Kitna edges hai, Baba? 12. So 4 edges you multiply here, 4 edges you give to length, 4 edges you give to breadth. Add. All the 12 edges I'm dividing in the form of 4, 4, 4. Are you understanding how I am just trying to divide? Yes or no? Let's try to design a new formula here. N minus 2 whole square. N minus 2 whole square means n minus 2 2 times. n minus 2, n minus 2 two times, but I'm not taking n students, seriously, I'm not taking n, I'm taking LB. I'm not taking LB, I'm taking BH. I'm not taking BH, I'm taking HL. Are you understanding, everybody? But kya? How many faces are there, students? There are 6 faces. Into 2, into 2, into 2. Add. Are you understanding, everybody? These are the new, same thing. Both are same. This with n, this with n, this with LBH. Both are same. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no, students. Please tell me yes or no. If perfect cube is not given, ऐसा करना, ऐसा. Are you understanding, everybody? Get these answers. This answer, this answer, this answer, this answer. चलिए, get these all answers, everybody. Make it faster, everyone. Not n, this time LBH. Not 5, 5, 5. You have to substitute 4 in one value, 5 in one value, and 6 in another value. अच्छे बच्चे जल्दी जल्दी करते, जल्दी जल्दी करो बेटा, जल्दी करो. सुभाषमिता इज जल्दी जल्दी. अच्छा बच्चा. That is 8, 36, 46, 24. Faster, everyone. Have you all got the same answers? Yes, Aniket also says the same answers, so definitely answers are good. So you have to understand that. Over students, that's good. You have to understand that. What is this? Perfect cube, sir. Then what is this? Not perfect cube, sir. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. So what did we learn? We learned 3-side painted, 2-side painted, 1-side painted, unpainted. 3-side painted, 2-side painted, 1-side painted, no paint. No paint will be inside. कहाँ होता है? You have inside. These kind of questions. Diagrams are not important. Diagrams are not important for doing these kind of questions. Try to understand that. Then why did I waste your time? अरे बोलना था अभी, मेरी मर्जी है ना. Yes, with diagram you will come to know where the colors are actually. Shall we move forward, everybody? Yes or no? चलिए now. Clear? Everybody on the screen now. A large cube is painted with green color on all the faces and same 125 pieces are made. Can you find out 3-side painted, 2-side painted, 1-side painted, unpainted? Yes or no? Come on, students. N value is what? 5. You all know that you can substitute the formula and get the answer. You will substitute the formula and get the answer. You all know that. Come on, yes or no? That's good. But listen, everybody. A question is being given to in the GATE 2018. A large cube is painted with orange color on all the faces, same orange on all the faces, and made not 125, sir, 64. Hope you know that 64 n value. N value. What did he ask you? What is the ratio of painted to unpainted pieces? I want the ratio of painted to unpainted. Chalo. 64. This is a way. You need not draw the diagram first of all, but I am drawing for my perfection. You tell me what is the answer. Three cuts on x-axis, 3 cuts on y-axis, 3 cuts on z-axis. Come on. Painted to unpainted. Without the help of diagram, you got unpainted. You all know that. How to get unpainted? They are inside. You all know that. They are inside. How to use the unpainted formula? You all know that. Unpainted, n minus 2 whole cube. If it is not a perfect cube, you can use L minus 2, B minus 2, H minus 2. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. 1:7 or 7:1? Aniket. Ulta karo, Aniket. Painted to unpainted. Very good, Aniket. Chaliye, unpainted formula. N value 4 means 8. Means out of 64 pieces, when 8 are unpainted, remaining are painted only, na? 56. How 56? Subtract. 64 minus 8, remaining 56 are here. मेरा नहीं है, गेट का है ना? मेरा नहीं है, गेट का है. Are you understanding, everybody? Using that formula is now, you can get the answer within seconds. That's what. N minus 2 whole cube. No counting, nothing. Put n and get the answer. Understood, Reshma? Yes, that's good. Let's sort of move forward now. Here. Can you do this question? A large cube is painted with blue color on all the faces, sir. And it is made into 120 identical pieces. 120 pieces, sir. Sir, I want 3 side, 2 side, 1 side unpainted. Come on. Can you do this question? Or you have already done? Yes, already done. That's good. That's good. Students, let's sort of move forward now. Students, you all know that, okay, now we have to do multicolor. This we will do tomorrow. Following, everybody? Okay, so there are some things which I have to teach you. Multicolor. Okay, today we have learned cutting perfect cubes, not perfect cubes. We have got 3 side painted. We have done 2 side painted. We have said 1 side painted. We have done unpainted. All these things we have done for perfect cubes and non-perfect cubes. Are you understanding, everybody? सम क्वेश्चंस आर बीइंग पेंडिंग, दे आर मल्टी कलर क्वेश्चंस, कल मस्त करेंगे, ठीक है। आज समय समाप्त हो गया, ओके।